Good morning, John Neal here. It's Wednesday, the 1st of February. My goodness, January lasted forever. We're on the way towards spring. Anyway, been on a bike ride. Well, I have to confess, this is a lazy man's bike ride because I've used the app Relive, which is brilliant. You'll see it in a minute, a little video of where I've gone round, and you can pop photographs and videos in it as well as to where you've been. So that's all I've done. Okay. I hope you enjoyed that video. I tell you, the E23 E-Starley bike is absolutely brilliant. I could have gone all day on it, but I've got to get back, and hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.